Good morning. Just tidying up before we head out to the park. Oh, knocking everything over. What's the time? Did I change my watch? No. It's 9 o'clock. So the park opens at 10, so we're gonna get to downtown, not downtown Disney, I keep calling it that. Disney Village. We're gonna go to the Disney Village and probably wander around the shops for a bit, and yeah, basically the same what we did last night, just have a wander. But I thought I'd show you our room.
Not the bathroom.
Okay, not the bathroom because it's a bit messy. Actually, there's just towels everywhere. I'll still show you the bathroom. What's she on? So, our bathroom. There's the towels. Oh, I need to turn the radio on. Oh, and that packs out some heat. I have. There's the door. We've got that little kitchenette area. We've got some cute little bits here. You get all like cutlery and bits, and a little mini dishwasher, and you get a fridge. So we've kept all our drinks in there. You get like a coffee machine, kettle, sink, mini cooker, microwave, and like all glasses and bits and pans. So if you wanted to stay in one night and cook, then you could. And then this is the main room. So we've got a giant mirror here. Got two drawers here. Got a little cupboard here, slippers, some shelving. Then we've got a cupboard here, just keeping our jumpers in it and bags and stuff. But there's a safe in there as well. You've got a giant TV here. Then we got, was it a twin room? A twin room, so we've got 2 single beds, but we seem to have this huge gap over here and we have no idea why. But then this is our view out the window, and you get like, oh god, it's really bright. You get like a little balcony and things. And I think that's the pool area, or the little spa bit. There's all other people's rooms. Then you get a little dressing table. And then yeah, that is our room. I think it's quite nice. For what we paid anyway, and how convenient it is. Like, when it comes to us going to the park, all we've got to do is just ring this guy and he'll come. Huh?
Concierge.
Oh yeah, we go down to concierge first of all, and then they take us to the park. Like, you just say to them, I want to go to Disney, and they'll drop you off like directly outside the gate. And once they've dropped you off once, they'll give you a number, and you just ring this number when you want to get picked up. And honestly, they're there within about 5-10 minutes. It's so good. And he's more than happy to do it as well. Like, you know, sometimes you get a driver in there who's miserable as anything. He's always happy. But on the actual side of the car, it says the hotel's name, which is, we're staying at the Relais Spa. So on the side of the hotel it says Relais Spa, so you're not getting into some stranger's van. Yeah. We're just gonna go to the park. Lucy's tying her shoes. She's ready. Let's go to Disney. Okay, so bag checked up. Lucy's having a fight with her hair. Now, it looks really busy, so if this is just the queue for all the people that are staying on site, it's gonna be a busy day. Like, really busy day. But positive note, it's sunny. Lucy's looking like she's been dragged for a bush. But it's sunny, so that's a start. I don't know what we're going to do at the moment. What we're going to do? Starbucks. Let's go Starbucks. Good morning. Every time I start a new vlog, I keep going so that's why Lucy's laughing at me. But anyways, we are walking into the park now. We've got our Starbucks and, well, walking towards the park. So it is, I can't see, what's the time? It's 10:15. And park opens at 10. So we're going to try and start queuing and then head straight to Buzz Lightyear and Space Mountain because we've looked at the queue times already and they're like 20 odd minutes. So today is going to be very busy. Morning. Thank you. It does kind of feel like Disney. I don't. I want it to be Florida. Yeah, if we could just have the Florida sun here, that would be nice. Or at least the heat. Then it would be nice and warm. Oh my god, we're going into the park! Are you ready? Ready? Oh, it's the character! Okay. Oh my god, it is. We're in Disney. We are in Disney. Oh my god, it's actually giving me goosebumps. They're queuing to see someone. You're Goofy! Okay, we got excited as soon as we saw the castle. Oh my god, no. I actually think it's prettier than Florida. Yeah, I think it's the pink. Oh, it's Goofy and Pluto. We can't see it. No, it's huge. Look at them. Oh, look how cute they are. Oh my god! Oh, it's actually giving me goosebumps. I've got like goosebumps on my face. I don't even know if that's possible, but I'm just covered in goosebumps. Okay. Wait. Oh, you can get photo passes here. Oh, can you? Oh, look at all the swinging to spring stuff. Oh, look. Oh, no. Oh, look at little Bambi. Oh, the cars are coming past. Appreciate how beautiful this castle is. I'm actually in love with it. Oh my god, look at the square trees. Oh look. It's so pretty. Oh. Can't see, really. It's so beautiful! It actually feels weird. It doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right, but I don't understand how. Oh, step there. There's Adventureland. Go that way. That's all like Space Mountain. Oh my god. I still can't believe I'm in Disney. Now I can understand why people come here, because like it is obviously convenient for people just to come to Europe rather than a 9-hour flight, especially if you live in the UK. Castle! I think about...
It's made out of flowers.
You wish upon a star, your dreams come true. It's Jingle Bell. Oh, the queue's not even that big. It's just a lot of people. No. Who's gonna win, guys? Place your bets now. Who's gonna win on Space? Oh, I can't get it. Who's gonna win on Space Mountain? It's not Space Mountain. Oh, oh, Buzz Lightyear. If it's called Laser Blast, it's not. What's the one in Florida called? I don't know. I can't remember the name of the one. Florida. So, place your bets. Who's gonna win? Stop saying so. It's me. It's me. It's me. I'm gonna win. And then we'll see. We shall see after this ride who wins.
The evil Emperor Zurg. His robot.
I win. 94,000. Lucy won.
Oh no, is that me?
Oh, we got photos.
Oh, concentration face.
Oh, there's too many people. Let's go around here.
Ah, it's a big
I can't even see us. There we are! Oh! There we are! There's our photo. Also very... Oh look! That's not Buzz Lightyear. What face is that?
It looks like a female.
That's not Buzz Lightyear. What have they done to his face? Ooh, the claw. It's quite a cool shot. Ooh, with Buzz. Where are we going now? Space Mountain? Yeah. Let's go see what the wait is for Space Mountain. Oh my god, it's 5 minutes. Let's go! Hang on, I'm gonna bring... Yay! This is so cool. Hold on, can you see it? It just like shoots up. Let's go. Oh no!
I'm not sure about the screaming.
Oh my god. Lots of screaming. I'm a bit nervous. Okay. I'm going to put my camera away until we finish this ride, so I think I'm going to have to take my ears off as well. I'm really scared. We actually got like nerves. Don't be silly. Yeah, but you guys Tower of Terror yet? Lucy's forcing me to go on the Tower of Terror. Hate that right? Oh, we're here. Oh my
Amazing.
god.
It's better than Florida, that one.
I screamed the whole way. That was so good. I can only describe it as a mix of Space Mountain, because you're obviously in the dark, and rock and roller coaster. That was unreal. I think what made it more like shaky was the fact that we had no idea what was going to happen. Look! Hold on. Oh my god. Is it gonna go? Yeah! See what the queue is now? They've got fast passes so we can come back. What's the queue? 10 minutes?
It's up to you.
Should we get a fast pass and then go on it?
Why?
Because then we've got a fast pass later and time now. What's the time now? Because they've got fast pass between 11:15 and 11:45.
10 to 11.
We're supposed to do that, aren't we? Let's see how this fast pass system works. May as well give it a go.
Well, we could potentially go on something else. You got like
5
minutes.
Okay, so you put your, as far as I know, you put your card up against that. It reads it. And then you get a fast pass. And then we've got 11:15 to 11:45. Actually, these fast passes are so cool. Look at the little logos on the top. Space Mountain. How cute. Right, so yeah, we've now got a fast pass for Space Mountain. Oh my god, where do you go? It's like you're actually in a graveyard. Where'd you go?
Up here.
Oh, that's just like easy access. Oh my god, this is so creepy. It's like an actual haunted house as opposed to what it's like in Florida. I keep comparing to Florida because it's so different. But there's some aspects which are like really the same.
They've got like a lot. Like they go along the same lines but try and do it different.
Yeah.
So it is like a totally different park.
Yeah, like obviously Big Thunder Mountain is down, so we can't really compare that. But
It looks amazing though.
yeah, it does look huge. But the likes of Space Mountain, that's like a mixture of rock and roller coaster and Space Mountain, because obviously your sudden drops but you're also going upside down. I'm getting puffed out. Oh. Now, who's playing the piano? Oh no, pitch black. See the eyes?
De facétieux revenants
Amber stopped.
plus notre visite. Veuillez rester
really
bien
that hard to
assis
get
dans
off this
votre
ride?
chariot. Nous reprenons dans un instant.
Kind of ruins it.
Yeah, we've been stopped twice now. We've only been on like 10 minutes. Oh, about 2 minutes.
Please remain seated in your carriage. We will proceed in
Sweet
just a
tune.
moment.
Can't see it.
Nous sommes malheureusement retenus par des esprits faceurs. Veuillez rester bien assis
Here we
dans
go.
votre chariot.
Oh, scary door. Nice one, Lucy. Scared the life out of both of us.
Creatures of fright, we summon you now.
Oh no, what a place to be stuck. It's really not that funny. Okay, that's really freaky. Oh my god.
Please remain seated in your carriage. We will proceed in just a moment. Nous sommes malheureusement
What a bit to get stuck on. Let's just look at this
Veuillez
side.
rester
That
bien
side's
assis dans
scary.
votre chariot. Nous continuerons la visite
Yeah.
en quelques instants.
I don't want to look the other way. It's really scary. So we just come off of Enchanted Manor behind us. Woo. And one tip, we were fortunate this time, but if you are going on that ride, there's like, you know in Florida there's the bit where
You go into like a room.
yeah, you go into the room and it says you need to find your way out, there's always my way. Well, they've got that again, but they squash you into the middle of the room because, I don't want to spoil it too much, but you have to be in the middle of the room. And if you are very claustrophobic like me and Lucy, go right to the edge because you're going to be squished right in the middle otherwise, and you do not want to do that. And we are in Fantasyland. We're going to It's a Small World. We'll see what the queue is. There's loads of people here. Like loads of people now.
Hi, Minnie!